Hello and welcome back to Smarty Peeps YouTube channel, where we do review and unboxing of quality watches, and today I bring you a Casio Shock G100 series. The best seller around the world G100 1BV model. This the box G100 series watch. Inside the box you will find a warranty card, a watch and watch manual. It costs $99. Case size, length 49.6 mm, width 47.8 mm, height 15.7 mm, weight 65 gram. Case and bezel material, resin band. Magnetic resistant. Shock resistant. 200-meter water resistance. Power supply and battery life. Approximately battery life, 3 years on CR 2016. Mineral glass, Neobrite. World time. Dual time. Stopwatch. Alarm/hourly time signal and daily alarm. Electroluminescent backlight. You can easily adjust the analog and digital time. Simple, easy to use and manage. Left side top button to adjust the analog watch time hands. Other features 12/24-hour format. Though this watch is designed to withstand exposure to magnetic force, you should still keep it away from machinery and appliances that generate a strong magnetic field. Exposure to strong magnetism can cause timekeeping to slow, affecting timekeeping accuracy. Regular timekeeping, analog, 3 hands, hour, minute, second, digital, hour, minute, second, PM, month, date, day. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe the channel.